Hello, friends. It pleases me to welcome your presence on this digital platform on behalf of Department of English, KKM College Manvat. Considering the need of quality education and also to disseminate the knowledge among different social classes in the vicinity of Manvat, the college, with its rural background, was established in the year 1972. Since its establishment, the college has been taking all possible efforts to remain active in the process of quality enhancement through a focus on student centric activities. The Department of English takes a lead to keep students at the center by keeping in mind the need of students in the region. Therefore, the department has been conducting the activities such as spoken and written English classes, film club, and book club for last few years. Book club is a platform where students can read, share, and review books. The students are expected to listen, talk, and suggest on various books. In this way, it may boost skill-based learning, encourage reading culture, and assist their overall development. I hope that you would encourage our students through your active listening and noteworthy suggestions. Thank you.
Hello friends, here is Nisha Bhausaheb Gagarwadi from BA final year student of KKM College Manwar. Today I am interact with you through this activity. Now I am presented the novel Fakira written by Tukaram Bhaurao Sathe, popularly known as Annabhau Sathe. First of all, a very happy birth anniversary of Annabhau Sathe. Annabhau Sathe born on 1st August 1920 and died in 18 July 1969. He was a social reformer, folk poet and writer. Fakira is a Marathi language novel. This novel was published in the year 1959. In 1961, the novel won the Maharashtra government's Best Novel Award. The story of a young man named Fakira is told in this novel. The novel is a masterpiece that challenges the British rule and tells that story of a fakir and his heroism. Through the novel Fakira, Annabhau Sathe is seen showing high values like social integration, nature, national religion, culture, political system and love. At the same time, it also teaches the values of the life of the Dalits, tolerance, militancy, and national duty. So, Fakira is a document full of social and national noble sentiments. The novel Fakira is considered to be a beacon in Marathi literature. During the British rule, the struggle of the Indians, the struggle against it, the plight of the neglected society, the tyranny of the British rule, and the rebellion against all this. The hero Fakira of Matangwadi, who was never captured by the British forces, all the villagers who have been banished to the village floor will die. The hero of Annabhau's Fakira is a brave warrior who surrenders after recognizing the danger to the lives of the villagers. Like other novels by Annabhau Sathe, struggle is the central theme of Fakira. In the preface, V.S. Khandekar says, Annabhau has to give talent. They have experienced all sorts of things in life. He has a kind of twist in his mind and he is a worshipper of rebellion against exploitation. In the preface of this novel, Annabhau Sathe says, this novel was not created by my talent alone. There is no basis for truth. Life is like a mirror in the dark. Just as talent needs reality, theoretically the imagination must have the wings of life, and without experience there is no sympathy. I have written what I have seen, experienced and heard. From that this Fakira has been created. This Fakira is important in many respects, as important as it is as a Dalit historical novel, it is also important as a novel that brings the rebellious life of a neglected hero before the society. The rebellion of the Fakir is inspired by social justice and freedom. His struggle will be a history of systemic change. When people start dying of hunger, then Fakir goes to the Vishnupant Kulkarni's palace to ask for grain. Vishnupant Kulkarni says, "Who is not rich? The outcry has started around me. I am in trouble, but my clear opinion is that you must live. Living today is more important than dying." This is his sincerity, and the values of empathy and compassion are invented. Vishnupant Kulkarni's sensitivity, love, sympathy, compassion for human beings, compassion for the fakir, awareness of his prowess, self-esteem and unity fearlessly make Vishnupant Kulkarni fearless. Fakira goes to the top and gets arrested on his own. He frees his mother, wife, grandparents from his family. Prant Sahib asked the fakir where he got this sword. Then this sword was given to my ancestor by Shivaji Maharaj. Fakir became serious and said that my father fought with this and I fought with you. Respect for Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, proud of his father's prowess, is expressed here from the point of view of morality. Annabhau's novel Fakira is very important. From the novel Fakira, Annabhau Sathe created a revolutionary hero. This hero taught life lessons to the generation of the hard-working community in Maharashtra. An immortal hero in Marathi literature is a source of inspiration for the underprivileged. It has become a milestone. Thousands of copies of the novel have been sold. Fakira has translated into English, Russian, Polish, German as well as Indian languages. Fakira ranks high as a novel that gives a strong idea of social change. Fakira is not only an interesting novel but also has history and philosophy in it. The novel presents the idea of attacking superstitions, illiteracy, and poverty in the deprived society. The struggles in human life, drama, misery, poverty are revealed in the novel. From his stories and novels, there is a strong desire for life in the people he created. Inspired by him, a talented generation of Dalit writers was created. His writing is Marathmola Rangda but Lobas Ghat. Fakira is a great example of this. Fakira is a novel that is unique. The speed and impulse of the moments from which Annabhau assimilated the experience from the previous life is felt in his writing. Social awareness, hard-boiled tradition of Indian villages, ethnic and downhill from generation to generation on it mentally divided society, social harmony to maintain to the Solbaji cause Ranoji Mang, Fakira, Vishnupant Kulkarni and numerous ideally qualified. And also the British government underlying Bapu Khot, Raosaheb Patil such as the character Fakira you get to see. Fakira is a very inspirational book. It is a story and history of individuals who have suffered innumerable injustices in their life because they born in lower caste, and how Fakira risen to this stature where he not only shown his character for his caste but also to the humanity. I never believed in unjust and cruel caste system. I request you to read this very important novel of Fakira by Annabhau Sathe once and for all.